Hi. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I make oat meat flour, and later I'll show you what I use it for. So let me start. I'm going to start by grinding it. So I'm going to blend it with this. So transfer it into this place. See the flour. The ones I made before. So that's it. That's how I made it. So this flour. So this is how smooth it is. You have to allow it to be smooth, like flour. So I'm going to grind another one. I want to make sure I finish this. So, yeah, now I'm done with the second batch. So I'm going to remove it. It's smooth now. So now you have your flour. So oatmeal flour. See it? So you can use it to do whatever you want to do. But I'm going to use it to do swallow. African swallow. What we call it puree or fufu. But this oatmeal fufu. I'm going to use it for. So the last one I'm going to put it. The last one. So that's it. So this is the last one. You see it? Actually have a 2 kilogram of oatmeal here. So that's what I have here. So I need to cover it with this one. Yes, this is the oatmeal flour, and I want to show you what I use it for. You saw how I made it, and this is what I'm going to use it for. The water is boiling. It's been boiling, and I shared it. So this is what I'm going to use it to do. So I have 1 cup here. So I'm still going to add more depending on what you want to do and how many people you want to do it for. So I'm still going to add more. I want to make for 3. So that's enough. Enough. I'm actually using one hand to hold my phone, so that's why you're seeing the video like this. I would have been pouring it bit by bit. So I'm using one hand to hold my phone. I actually poured more just a little quantity of water, and leave it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm going to open it again and turn it. Yeah, here we are. Make sure it's been cooked. So this is it. I'm gonna wrap it. You can use your nylon paper to wrap it, or use foil paper to wrap it, whichever way you want. You can decide not to wrap it and still mold it with plates. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So this is it. It's actually thick. So this is the finished product. You see, I did not wrap this one, but I used my hands, put my hands in cold water, then put it in a plate, then mold it. That's the way we mold African food. See, African food, African fufu, African gari, or whatever. So I'll mold it. Then this one is in a foil paper. Use foil paper to wrap this, and later you open it and eat. So that's it. So thank you. That's the end result. If you like it, wow, it thumbs up, like the video, watch it to the end. Thank you. Bye.